everyone! Welcome back to another Trinity B1 English test practice. Today, we'll talk about one of the most popular and enjoyable topics, music. Music is something we all love. It connects people, helps us relax, and makes life more fun. In the B1 exam, music is a great topic because it's easy to talk about and you can share your personal ideas. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your taste in music, describe your favorite singers or bands, discuss instruments and concerts, give opinions, and ask the examiner questions naturally. By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to speak confidently about music, just like in the real Trinity B1 exam. Let's begin. Tip 1. Say why music is important to you. Key idea. Don't just say, yes, I like music. Give reasons. Explain how it affects your life or feelings. Examiners want to hear how you connect to music, how it makes you feel, when you listen to it, and why it matters. Example. Question. Is music important to you? Answer. Yes, music is very important to me. It helps me relax and forget my problems. When I'm tired, listening to music gives me energy again. Example 2. Answer. Definitely. I listen to music every day, especially when I walk to work. It's a big part of my life. Extra tip. You can also mention emotions. Happy, calm, motivated, relaxed. Summary. Add feelings and reasons for a natural and fluent answer. Tip 2. Talk about different kinds of music. Key idea. Show you know several music styles and use topic vocabulary. Examiners want to see that you can use words like pop, rock, jazz, classical, hip-hop, folk, electronic, country, rap, etc. Example. What kind of music do you like? Answer. I like pop and jazz. Pop is fun and makes me dance, but jazz is relaxing, especially in the evening. Example 2. Do you like all kinds of music? Answer. Yes, I enjoy many styles from all over the world. I love K-pop, Latin, and a bit of reggae too. Extra tip. Use contrast words like but, however, although to show balance. Summary, mention 2 or 3 types, add short reasons, and your answer sounds complete. Tip 3. Talk about your favorite singer or band. Key idea. Be specific. Give the name, describe what you like, and why. Question. Who is your favorite singer? Answer. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift because she writes her own songs and her lyrics are meaningful. Example 2. What band do you like the most? Answer. I really love Coldplay. Their music is emotional and the live shows are amazing. Extra tip. Use adjectives like talented, creative, inspiring, amazing, emotional. Summary. Always include why. It shows a real opinion, not memorized lines. Tip 4. Talk about concerts and live music. Key idea. Use past tenses and show excitement. If you've been to a concert, describe the experience, who performed, where it was, and how you felt. Example. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I went to a Maroon 5 concert last year. The atmosphere was incredible. Everyone was singing and dancing. Example 2. When was the last time you went to a concert? Answer. The last time I went to a concert was 2 months ago in a jazz bar in London. Extra tip. If you've never been to a concert, say what kind of concert you'd like to go to in the future. Summary. Use past simple, plus feelings, plus details. Tip 5. Talk about musical instruments. Key idea. Use instrument vocabulary and grammar range, present perfect. Example. Do you play a musical instrument? Yes, I play the guitar. I've played it since I was 10 years old. Example 2. Which instrument would you like to learn? I'd like to learn the piano because it sounds beautiful and elegant. Extra tip. If you don't play any, say which one you want to play and why. Summary. Use I've played since to show grammar control. Tip 6. Use prefer and would rather correctly. Key idea, these structures show a higher grammar level and variety. Example. Do you prefer pop music or classical music? I prefer pop music to classical music because it's more modern and I can sing along. Example 2. Would you rather play the saxophone or the flute? I'd rather play the saxophone because it sounds cooler and more powerful. Extra tip. Use I prefer plus noun, verb ing, plus to noun, verb ing. Use I'd rather plus base verb. Summary. Show grammar range naturally with your opinions. Tip 7. Express clear opinions. Key idea. Speak with feeling and confidence. Use opinion phrases. I think, in my opinion, personally I prefer, I'm not a fan of. Example. What do you think about heavy metal? Personally, I'm not a big fan of heavy metal. It's too loud for me, but I respect people who like it. Example 2. What do you think about classical music? I think it's relaxing and beautiful, especially when I study. Extra tip. If you don't like something, always give a polite reason. Summary. The examiner wants to hear your opinion, not just facts. Tip 8. Talk about lyrics and feelings. Key idea. Go deeper. Talk about the words, the lyrics, and the tune, the melody. Example. Can you think of a song with beautiful lyrics? Yes. Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen has very beautiful lyrics. They're emotional and meaningful. Example 2. What's more important for you, the lyrics or the tune? For me, it's the tune. If it's catchy, I always remember it and sing it all day. Extra tip. Use adjectives like catchy, emotional, relaxing, touching, inspiring. Summary. Feelings make your answers come alive. Tip 9. Be a fan of something or someone. Key idea. Use I'm a fan of or I've been a fan since. Example. Are you a fan of country music? Not really. I prefer pop music, but I like a few country songs. Example 2. Which singer are you a big fan of? I'm a big fan of Ed Sheeran. I've been his fan since 2015 because his songs are very emotional. Extra tip. Add since year to show time expression practice. Summary. Enthusiasm sounds confident. Don't be afraid to smile and show excitement. Tip 10. Ask the examiner a question. Key idea. In the interactive phase, show real communication. Ask the examiner a simple question about music. Example. Candidate. I love going to concerts. What about you? Do you like live music? Examiner. Yes, I do, especially jazz. More ideas. Do you like listening to music when you work? Have you ever played an instrument? What kind of songs do you enjoy? Extra tip. Keep your tone friendly and natural, like a real chat. Summary. Asking a question shows confidence and good interaction skills. That's it for today's lesson. You've just learned 10 clear and useful tips for talking about music in your Trinity B1 English exam. Remember, speak clearly and naturally. Don't memorize full sentences. Add emotions and reasons. Show you can use different tenses. Smile, be confident, and enjoy your topic. With practice, you'll sound fluent, relaxed, and ready to pass your Trinity B1 GESE Grade 5 test with confidence. Keep practicing 5 to 10 minutes a day. You can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in the next topic.